Hi, we are looking at a document in English language right now, and I will teach you how you can translate this in a different language. And without leaving Microsoft Word, without using any external product, simply with the help of a built-in AI feature. This is called Copilot. It is located under the Home tab. All the way to the right-hand side, you will find Copilot. Click on it and it will ask you, what would you like me to do? Where it says ask me anything about this document, this is where you say translate to Spanish or whatever language of choice you want, and simply click, and here it is translating it for you. All you need to do is simply place your insertion point wherever you want this translation to appear. While you can always insert page break, and that will automatically push your insertion point to the next page. Keyboard shortcut is Control Enter or Control Return. Now that it is done with the translation, all you need to do is just simply click the insert. You can hit the copy and also paste it if you want to. So when you click the insert, here you can see that it has inserted the text in Spanish, and here you have the text in English. Now, if you are one of the Spanish-speaking people, or you understand Spanish as a language, you can then go through this document and make corrections if you think that there are better words that can be used in this contract. One of the reasons that you see all redlined all over this document is because I do not have the Spanish dictionary downloaded. As soon as I download the Spanish dictionary, then all of these red lines will disappear. So let me know in the comment section below if you have tested this and how you found it. Did you find it to be useful or not? Well, we'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.